Hi all, this is Sam from Honey Computing Services India. Now I will be showing you how to use the Android mobile application for accessing Indian Bare Acts. There are around 700 Indian Bare Acts and 30,000 sections stored in the database for this Android mobile application. This is a client server tool. So client is a Android mobile and server is stored somewhere. It is used to access the database only. So when this is the page which you are looking at right now is the index page. This is a search page wherein you can search using any keyword. If you know, it is optional. There is no need to enter any key. You can simply press search and it will display all the keywords, all the titles of the acts, so you can check out. And at a time it will show you 20 acts, so you can go through it. If you want to see more, you have to click on show more bare acts. It will display next 20. This is the default search. Like if you want to search for particular act, you have to, on the search page you have to write something like right now I will search right to information. So if I want to search right to information, it will display me fewer options, of course. And I can see here right to information. I will click on this right to information and it will display me the different details. So now if I click on right, it will display me the section details. This is a section details. If you see here more details button, you will have to click on that more details button and it will fetch the remaining portion of that particular act detail. Next means it will, this is for the right to information act. The next section it will be displayed. So you can see this is the next section. One by one you can click on the next, you can read everything. There is no more details button. That means this is the complete detail showing in the one shot. So there is one more method. You can see now more details button is here. So that means you have to click. If you want to read complete act detail, you have to click on again. You have to read it. If you want to skip, that is your interest. But more details button is like, it is a dynamic. If data is there, it will be generated and displayed. If it is not there, then it will not be displayed. So by moving on to the next, you can see, you can read all the different details. One more type of search is there. If you want to search for using any particular word, like I will click on R and it will give me all the acts which are starting from the word R. So I will click on again right to information. It will display me right all the different list of the data. I will click on any and I will read the different things. Like there are two types of, basically there are two types of search criteria given. One is the main search, wherein you need to provide the um, search text. Here whatever you want to do, like banking. So it is not necessary that the word should be perfect. It can be half also, like I will show you. Even if you write banking, it is fine, not a problem. It will go, it will search the related words and it will display you in a list, so that you can click on any particular act title and you can go through it in detail. You can see here like this. So it's very simple application to access the huge database. The database is very large. As you know, there are 700 sections right now in our database, and we will update it accordingly. And there are 30,000 sections, different sections are there. So it is very heavy database, and but very nicely written, very nicely developed, and we are getting very good response for this application, because there are so many legal practitioners, so many judges, police officers, law practitioners, or any particular person like general user also can use this application while roaming anywhere, and he can make use of the knowledge, so that for daily routine he will be updated with the different legal terms and legal acts. So it's very important for nowadays to have this application handy. So in a mobile application it will be working like anything. It is very good application, very high speed application. Everybody should have, and we are trying to cover all the uh, remaining acts also. So by some time, by in the future, we will update everything accordingly. So thanks a lot for using this application, and in case you have any concern or any feedback for us, please let us know. We are open for the suggestions, we are open for the feedback from the qualified people or the people who are using this application and who want to see some changes. And if we feel that application really needs it and it's a important thing, we will definitely go through your suggestion. So please write to my email ID if you want to suggest anything. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for everything. Thanks a lot for buying this app and making use of it.